Yeah, selfies. So we are all addicted to selfies. Go to any event, go to any party, there's a selfie. Go out, there's a selfie. Go with your friends, there's a selfie. Go with your family, there's a selfie. Whenever there's a group, it's called a group fee. Yeah, that's what I've heard, some new term. Whatever. Selfie was like, what is a selfie? We don't know what's a selfie. But now the times have changed. Smartphone companies have been manufacturing better front cameras for, selfies. Snapchat, Instagram and Facebook are providing filters because of what? Selfies. Exactly. Selfies is now the big trend, and now Google has joined this trend too. It has provided an application called Selfissimo. What does this do? Basically, from the words you can see, selfies more. Selfie on motion. There will be a simple algorithm for that, and I'll be explaining about that in the further clips. Anyways, I'll be reviewing this application in this video and giving my overview about how this application is. Hey guys, this is old Paddy from Techie Paddy. So sit back and enjoy this video. Let's go! So guys, I'll be showing you a small demonstration of the Selfissimo application. On the screen you will be seeing something very different, like I'll be talking in a cross manner, but you can see a tripod on which an iPhone is mounted. So I'll be using my iPhone for this demonstration purposes, and for a proper stability and do it properly, I have used this tripod. Anyways, so the screen will be split into half and half. So this camera where I'm talking to is going to show you my actions, what I'm trying to do, and on this iPhone the whole thing, how it is working, will be recorded, including your camera snaps, etc. So let's begin. Let me just launch this app called Selfissimo, and now it is opening. Research at Google, that's what it says. And see, the first thing on the screen you can see it is written Selfissimo, and there's a start button, and you can see yourself that you are able to see on the screen. Now you'll have to give your camera permissions and microphone permission. No, not microphone permission, only camera permissions to this application. That's it. Now let's begin. So it says start. So let me just select start. Strike a pose. Click. Go back. Maybe go ahead a bit. One more pose. One more. You tilt. You tilt a bit. Take one more like this. And it clicks another pose. So basically how it is working is, you can see that when I'm talking to you guys, it is also capturing some pictures. So basically how it's going to work is, there should be some line like this on the straight of the screen, and dividing into 4 quadrants, and maybe positioning yourself into this 4 quadrants. If you move out plus or minus out of this quadrants, it will click a selfie. That's maybe the basic algorithm which is behind this application. Anyways, so first of all, these are all black and white, so we hope there will be a color option soon later. Now you're done with your selfies, just tap on the screen. And now you can see there are so many photographs which are taken by this smartphone, and you can see variety of photographs are there. Let me just select one for you. Like this, when I'm talking to you guys, I can, show you what is exactly happening like this. I'm talking to you guys, pointing at you, maybe showing some direction. This takes time to load. So basically these are bit high quality images, so they may take time to load, so have patience like this, and so on. Now you are satisfied with any of these photographs, you can just say, tap on the share icon here. Because it's not loaded all of them, that is why it is taking time, or maybe it is a high quality image, that is why it is taking more time. Let's select one image at least and say export. And it is now saying save to files, create a watch face, save image, etc. You can save your image whatever you desire. Now if you are done with this and you do not wish to save any of these images, just select back, press this cross, and it will ask you new photo shoot. Your unsaved photos will be lost. You said OK. That's it. Done. And now it will come back to the start screen like this, and now you can just quit the app just like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you will love to try out this new application called Selfissimo. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel Techie Paddy, this is your first time, My name is Paddy and this is my channel Techie Paddy. Do subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, please leave it in the comment section of this video. Please share this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. First time, my name is Paddy and this is my channel Techie Paddy. Do subscribe. Can I call you back? Actually, I'm shooting a video.